Hello, I am Parth Patel. I am senior software developer having 8 years of experience in .NET full stack development. My software development learning begins under the expert training of Mahesh Gurjar sir, where I learn C, C++, Core Java, C Sharp .NET MVC, ADO.NET, Entity Framework, SQL programming, Bootstrap, jQuery, LinkU, etc., and also worked with multiple product-based projects. Thanks to the academy, I was recommended to multiple MNCs, and also they helped me getting my first job as junior .NET developer. This helps me build my career with multiple tech giants like Wipro, TCS, HTC, etc. If you wanted to learn basic programming to advanced things like AI and gaming development, this can be the best platform for you. Teaching is an art well proven by Mahesh Gurjar sir. He has 15 plus years of experience in teaching academy. If you are an average student or having difficulty understanding the concept online, I believe you will have all the clarity of concepts at the end of courses with this academy. Don't look at the fees, it will always worth it. And the best thing about courses with this academy is you can complete the courses with your flexibility of time without any deadline. Thank you.